Welcome back to Survival Check. Today we're going to learn how to fix a flat.
Okay, first step, we gotta take these training wheels off. There's two clips right here that you press in and comes right off to the other side. Then we will take off this cover, chain cover. There will be one screw right there near the tire. There will be a second screw right there.
No, it's stuck in there. Is that?
Okay, put it somewhere safe. Then come over here and try to take this one off. Yes, that one. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Start taking it off.
There we go.
There we go, put it to the side. Okay, our next step would be to remove those bolts on each side of the tire. On this bike, they're a size 14. So we remove the bolts. We'll remove that screw right there. We will remove this screw off. And we will be able to take off the tire and take off the tube. Okay, what I just explained to her was she's gonna do counterclockwise on both sides, which is lefty loosey, and she could either do it both at the same time, or one at a time. So while I'm holding this side, she's taking off the other side. Keep going. Okay, now grab the nut. Now I'll do this side. Okay, we're taking this one, lefty loosey. It's almost out. It's out. Give me the other one. Put them in my pocket. It's the safest place not to lose them. Pull these out. Just remember how they go. These clips go facing down. Of course, the bike is upside down. Gotta hold this side. Push it out. Did it have a washer? No, it didn't, right? We'll just screw that to the side. And now the tire should be able to come out. The chain comes off loose. Now the tire is ready to come out. Alright, the chain is loose. We gotta take it off of this in order to pull back the tire and get it off. This one stayed on. It's clipped on there pretty well, so keep that on there. Alright, for today we're going to use this Bell bike kit. We're going to use these two plastic grips that are used to take the inner tube. First, we're going to put one in. You hook it. And then we use the other one. Pull it in there. What we got to do, start pushing it sideways, making sure it comes out. We got the tire out. Take the cap off. Save it. Push it out. so we can get the tire tube. All we gotta do is pull it out. And it's out. So after you remove the tube, we're gonna blow some air on it. You get a bucket of water with a little bit of Dawn soap or any soap you use. You don't really need no soap. And then you're gonna submerge the tube and start finding where the bubble is, which I already know where it is. Come here, record it from me. Can you see it bubbling? That's where the hole is at.
I don't see it.
So the hole is right here. Come here, puppy.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Look.
Bubbling.
I made too many bubbles. See it bubbling?
Yeah, it's right there.
So we gotta make sure it doesn't have any other holes or the valve's not leaking air, which it's not.
I heard one.
It's the same one from up here. Okay, so we go back.
Bubble.
Look for the hole, because I lost it. It was somewhere here. It's right here. Now we gotta dry this area. Bring me a napkin.
I'll do it.
Okay, after you locate the hole, as you can see, it's right there. I dried it off the tube already. Make sure it's dry. And we're gonna go ahead and patch it. We get our patching kit. We got our rubber glue. And we have our patches right here. We're gonna use this aluminum scrubber. And we're gonna look for the smallest patch. You could always cut it and make it smaller. So we're gonna use this where the texture is at. We're gonna rub it. Then we're gonna add some rubber glue. Since we ran out of rubber glue, it actually didn't have any in there. We're gonna use super glue, which should do the trick. Well, it actually scared me. You put it all over, rub it, rub it, rub it. And with super glue, you gotta be fast. I normally, when you have rubber glue, I will glue the edges from the top. But since this is super glue, gotta be careful because I don't want to glue my fingers to the tube. But I gotta make sure it sticks right where the hole is at. Now we gotta do is let it dry. Okay, so our next step after the patches there, we didn't have that much super glue, but the middle is already patched well, so the sides doesn't really matter. The tiny hole, all the middle is perfect, it's dry. We gotta go ahead and check the rubber tire, make sure there's nothing sticking, still stuck in there that's causing those punctures. You gotta be careful, so I suggest an adult do this. Kids might poke their finger. And this one's fine and clean. Now we gotta put it back. You gotta look for the hole where your valve's gonna go through and start with that. I put it in through the side, the rubber's sticking out. Look for the hole, valve hole. Put it in there. Then we slowly put it back in there. And for this tire, we really don't need these tools. It's easy for me to just do this. Push it back in. Just inflate the tire. Make sure lost a little air, but that's good. We're gonna start putting it back on. Okay, we gotta put the tire back in. Make sure it's facing the right way. This is where the training tires are gonna go in. We're gonna put this first to align the tire before even putting the chain on. So I'll go ahead and line where the screw is gonna go. Okay, you're gonna put the chain on the bottom one first. You're gonna grab it, pull it from the side, make sure it's still on there. Gonna put it on the bottom right here. I'm gonna lift the bike and you're gonna pedal. Got it? Mm-hmm. Okay, show me.
And then I'm going to pedal.
And there.
There we go.
Now the chain's back on. Now we're gonna screw it back on and make sure it's tight.
This one, it goes like that, right?
The other way. We gotta make sure the clips are facing this way up because it's in the bottom. Just watch your hands. Don't look. All you have to do is all the way in there. You're taking it off. It's that way. All you gotta do is hold it. You don't have to put your whole hand here and squeeze it.
So this way.
Yes. Just pull back the tire. Make sure the chain is tight enough it won't come loose. Once that is set, we're gonna torque it down to a tighter position on both sides, and that chain shouldn't fall off. It's a little wiggle, but that's good enough. Then we're going to screw the guide over here all the way down, and we're going to put back the cover exactly the opposite way.
And on the side back too.
Yes, you got the screws right?
Yeah, I got them right here.
Okay, screw it all the way in. I'll do it because you're struggling there with
The bike.
the tire.
I can do the other one.
Okay, the other one's going to be the small one. Where's the hole? There. Righty tighty,
This
all
way?
the way. Yes. Well, I'll do the other side again. Tire still has air. Alright, our last step would be to put these training tires back on. What you have to do is squeeze these two clips right here in order to fit it back in.
Like this.
Might be a little bit hard for you. Try it. You're gonna squeeze this.
Oh, that.
Look, you see how it squeezes in? I don't know if you can see this. You squeeze in and it snaps right in there. Once you squeeze it in.
That's how you fix a flat tire. So if you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.